to my channel. So today I wanted to do my version of the dustpan pour. I made this little contraption myself. It's a cake decorating tool with some cardboard and a lot of tape. So it's only going to be used once, so I didn't put too much work into it. So I'm going to layer my cup with some paints I had left over from a previous pour. These are all my Italian craft paints mixed with some glue and water. So this is some blue, silver. I've got some table scrapes that made a cute little metallic light blue, purple, and I got some white. And let's do that one more time. So that's my cup. And let's put this in here. Okay, I'm going to just try and pour it out. Ooh, this is I thought I had a lot more paint. Guess we're doing that again. So let's layer some more. Let's put it in here. And let's pour it out. This way. See, this is what I was hoping for. Let's put some of the leftover paint here. So I'm not really sure about this. Let's just scrape this one and let's call it a failed experiment. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.